You guys enjoy this countdown? Don't knock me out.
Larry, do you have an allergy to shellfish?
I think.
Oh. Okay. Good luck. Be gentle, gentlemen.
All right, guys, this is Larry Kaplan. This is the 50 and 30 challenge. This is a bonus bucket here at Cytokinetics in San Francisco, California. And we're going to check out some mussels and some wine. Are you guys all ready?
Yeah!
Now remember, the whole reason we're doing this, watch these videos, but donate. Go to 50and30.org, 50 and 30.org. This is all about awareness, funding, finding a cure. Thank you, guys. All right, bonus bucket here in San Francisco. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stay away from the mussels, but the wine is really good. Thank you guys, I appreciate it, and I'll see y'all in Honolulu tomorrow.